Number 15, the graph models the number of active projects a company was working on X months after the end of November 2012, where 0 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 6. According to the model, what is the predicted number of active projects the company was working on at the end of November 2012? Okay, so we're told this is the number of months down here, and these are the number of projects, because X months, where X is between 0 and 6. All right, so at the end of November 2012, well, it's saying this is showing the model of how many months after the end of November 2012. So this is 1 month after the end, 2 months after the end, 3, 4, 5, 6 months after the end. They don't want to know any of that. They want to know how many was it working on at the end of November 2012. So that is, boom, here we go, right there at the beginning. The very beginning, 0 months after the end of November 2012 would be the end of November 2012. And if we look at the coordinate there at 0, that's showing 5. Yeah, that's all it is right there. 5. 0 months after the end of November 2012, they were working on 5 projects. And that is B. This is one of those, I think it's almost tricky in its simplicity, because I sat here for a second looking like, it can't be that, right? It can't be that. It's got to be, I got to be missing something. I got to be missing something. No, sometimes they really are just like, yeah, they're giving you all this, and then all they wanted was that first thing that they asked you. So yeah, just read carefully. And yeah, sometimes it is just that direct. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.